All right, today is a good day, and it's because I have new bees. And the reason I have new bees is because one of the bee barn hives swarmed. My husband was able to catch them off our plum tree and put them in this box. That is good news for me because it means if I can keep them alive long enough, I'm gonna get them from this box into my green hive. Okay, so this is my first time looking through a nuc. The plan for today is to make sure, well, that they're in there. That's problem number one. That there's a queen and that there's enough food. If I can really think it through, I'm gonna see if there's drawn comb. And if there's not, I'm gonna look in one of the other beehives, try to put some drawn comb in. Which I don't know what this is. Is this a leveler of some type? Pollen patty. The bees actually eating it. I don't know what to do about it. Maybe just leave it there for a second. We'll just let the bees stop talking. Which this might be a good time to say, since this is my first time going through a nuc, if you have advice on how to best look through a nuc, what you normally think about or look for, I will certainly be taking that advice. Oh, I think that's good news, right? I'm really scared to squish a bee. Not a bee, but the queen. Uh-oh, is that a queen cell? What's that right there? I'm gonna think about it for a while and look hard for a queen. I kind of feel like that's not a good sign. Oh, maybe it's just honeycomb. Maybe it's just drawing out the honeycomb. Now I'm already a little worried about not finding a queen. Well, I can already say nucs are nice, easy to deal with, nice and small. Oh, good news, lots of bees. Okay, don't squish a queen. I see nectar. I see a lot of bees. What I don't see is any brood or eggs or queen. I guess this is one good thing about having so many videos. I look back and say, oh no, what was I thinking? I can also look back and find the queen. I don't know what to do about this. Just move it, I guess. Alright, I really want to see a queen, but I don't. I guess, let me know what you think, but I feel like I didn't see any eggs or brood either, so that makes me think that they're not ideal. But think I'll just go with the thought that I just didn't see it. So she's gotta be here. I'm gonna just look again one more time since it's small and calm. I see it, green dot on the bottom. I can point to it. You gotta look closely for the green dot. Okay, she's by herself now, so let me just put her back. I'm gonna say queen sighting confirmed. So that's good, and I think the best thing to do now is put drawn comb in place of these frames that are not drawn, and then I'll feed them and close them up. Okay, actually these are from my green hive, the TXT hive that died. They are drawn out, which is good. So I'm going to take the not drawn out of here, put the drawn out in here, and I'm going to try to think about how to space them. I'm going to try to keep the bees in the center, the drawn comb next to the bees, and maybe the empty ones at the end, if I'm counting correctly. Okay, so this one can go. I guess I can shake those bees in. This one can go next. So blank. No, it's not blank. It's bees, blank, bees. Now I need a blank. So I'm going to switch this one out. Okay, yep, this one's going to wait. So I have bees, blank, bees. Blank. Okay, I got it. So none of them are empty. It's either drawn out or full of bees. Bees, blank, bees, blank, bees. And now the queen has room to lay. Okay, this is good news. Next thing I'm going to do, we'll give them their old little pollen patty back, a little bit of leftovers. I can sprinkle this pollen sub on top. Well, some of it's on the ground now. And I'm going to put this feeder on, which I have never done before, but I have seen it just slip in. Oh, maybe I should close first. Maybe I should close this part first. Alright, and I'm going to put this sugar water into the feeder, which I have not done before. I know that when we do bucket feeding, we make a seal, so we go dump it somewhere else, get it completely flat, and then put it on top. But I feel like for this it doesn't matter, because if I spill it, at least I'm not spilling it in the hive. So I'm just gonna dump it. Oh, that seemed easy. Does it need a screw? Okay, it's not easy. Oh, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna hope that's right. And I'm gonna call it a success. This nuc is super fun. We got a queen, we got space, we got pollen patty, we got sugar water, and we got sunshine. So I'm gonna take it. If you have any suggestions or opinion, let me know. Thanks for watching. Bye.